The stock of the day is brought to you by IG, Australia's #1 CFD provider. With over 17,000 markets and extended trading hours, turn US earnings season volatility into opportunity. Get started at IG.com.
Stock of the day is Netwealth has achieved funds under administration inflows of $4.5 billion for the fourth quarter. That's 70% higher than the previous period, 12 months fund under administration. Also at a record, coming in at $15 billion, which was a gain of 57%. That growth primarily came from flows into non-custodial accounts and managed accounts, and the positive market movements added $1.7 billion to funds under management, which hit more than $101 billion at the end of December. And Netwealth saying that APRA superannuation Chancellor will reduce its targets reserves to 20 basis points from 25 from the 1st of July, but says it remains in a strong financial position. So, Howard, let the good times roll. How do you see it?
Yeah, I mean, great business, got outstanding management. We've looked at it a couple of times in Teaminvest. One of our members, in fact, went to school with one of the founders, so was able to talk about him as a person. They've known one another all their lives. But the important thing from a metrics point of view, 7 years it's been listed, its return on equity has never been lower than 42%. I mean, that's absolutely wonderful. You'd expect high return on equity with the sort of business it's in. It's not a capital intensive business, but nonetheless, that's outstanding. It's got no debt worth mentioning, and its earnings have been growing at more than 16% a year. So what's not to like, except, as we said earlier about bubbles, it's on a PE of 80. And every year since it's listed, you've been able to buy it on a PE of less than 50. So do I like the company? Absolutely. Would Teaminvest members like to own it? I'm sure most of them would. At a PE of 80, would they be buying it? Nope. But if it gets down to a PE below 50, I think you'll have a lot of them getting very enthused.
Well, yeah, certainly, and you saw that acceleration in the share price just over the past 12 months. So at the moment then, no, but look for an opportunity potentially, although it's going to come.
Terrific company.
Yeah. All right. Grady?
Exactly Howard's sentiment. It's a fantastic company. Second straight quarter of record performance. 4.5 billion in FUA, or funds under administration, net inflows. So that's what you want to see when we're seeing competitors in the market have outflows at the moment. So with inflows, that's phenomenal business there. We're seeing their growth is really reflective of a catch-up in transitioning clients and accounts coming through. So nothing out of the ordinary there, but it's a very strong business. And again, if the PE was lower, I would probably buy him myself. But I can't justify the PE right now.
If you're there though, a hold?
Hold. I hold. Absolutely hold.
Solid hold.
Do not sell.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and I suppose if I was in it, I'd hold it too. I don't think I'd be selling it. It's a great business.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't be buying it at these prices.
That's the view on our stock of the day.
The stock of the day was brought to you by IG. Turn volatility into opportunity this US earnings season with extended trading hours on over 110 key US shares. Get started at IG.com.